All right, good evening. Welcome to another session of Workshop Technology. And today, we're going to dive into the world of blockchain. Okay, if I were to ask you to describe in very simple terms what blockchain is, can you guys do it? What is blockchain? ตอบภาษาไทยก็ได้ครับ You can Thai, it's okay. System. Okay, correct, but too broad. Blockchain คืออะไรครับ What is blockchain? Or anybody else can describe to me in simple words what blockchain is. Blockchain is ... What is that ... Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is one blockchain application, but it's not blockchain yet.
It's kind of like a share something like a value to the another system, from the system to the system, because it can show in the payment, Bitcoin or something.
Okay.
Share to the another one.
Okay, there is the sharing, and there are, I heard something about like value, like money. Okay, still application. Can you guys tell me what Bitcoin, blockchain is? Bitcoin is the popular blockchain application. It's an application of blockchain. What is blockchain? Is it a chain of block? Absolutely, it is correct. It's a chain of block. Yeah, I'll show you what the chain is, right? But can you? I just want one more answer. Just come up with anything. It's okay. I'm going to tell you in the next slides anyway. Okay. But I just want to grab to see like what do you guys think about blockchain, man?
Anyone can know accept the sender and receiver.
Sender and receiver?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a player in the blockchain, which you guys gonna be doing that today too. Okay, blockchain, as I can tell you, it's a new technology, right? It has emerged for maybe less than 20 years. And I guess the most popular application is financial, like Bitcoin is one of them, Ethereum is another one, and all of cryptocurrencies, right? But today I'm going to talk about blockchain in terms of the technology. Like I don't care too much in terms of the financial stuff, like all the trading and stuff, and that's fine if you want to just doing all the financial stuff. But I think in terms of like engineering standpoint, I think blockchain gives you like a new fundamentals, like it gives you the new tools that you can use to solve problems. I think that's more exciting than crypto, which I mean, Bitcoin right now is really high, right? So I think you should sell it, okay? Do not buy it yet, sell it, okay? Okay, so what is blockchain? Okay, I'm gonna throw a lot of words into you today, but I'm hoping that some of them will sink, right? Because it is a very complex technology, and it does take some time to get accustomed to that new way of thinking, okay? But blockchain is the public ledger. Okay, just text if I record myself. So it's the ledger. You guys know what ledger is? Ledger is the record of something. When you go to the bank, you have book bank, สมุดธนาคาร that's called financial ledger, okay? If you keep track of your things that in your, let's say you want to keep track of things in your house and you say, okay, today I bought something and then that thing goes to my store and then today I use it and then you subtract it out. That transaction is called ledger. So ledger is just a record of something, but then blockchain allow you to have a ledger that is public. So this ledger, this record of something is actually public. Like you guys can look into this ledger right now. The ledger of Bitcoin give a record all the transaction that has ever occurred since the beginning of the first block of the Bitcoin, and you guys can and you can look at it like at this very moment, and you can like everyone that has connection to the internet can do that too. That's the power of blockchain because it gives you that transparency. Everybody can check if the transaction is correct or not, and that is so much different from what you have today, right? You cannot go to see other people's book bank, but in the world of public blockchain, you can. And today you're gonna do it too. If you send anything to anyone, I can check and I can see if you did it. I mean, given that I know who you are in the world of blockchain, but technically I can find out what you did. and it's public, okay? So that's a public ledger, okay? So it records all the transaction, and then the way that it did is like it's separate the transaction into blocks, and the blocks are chained together. So that's why it's like blockchain, okay? So that's what somebody say, a block of chain, a chain of block. That's correct, right? And it's a way to share the information transparently. So that's the keyword. It's so transparent that you guys will feel so weird because we never, like in our life, like our information is private to us. But in the world of blockchain, it's actually public everywhere. Like anyone can look into what you did. It's so much different. And then it gives you the different tool to work with different problems, like financial. Like as you can see that Bitcoin is creating because they want to get rid of the middleman, get rid of the Federal Reserve, no more Bank of Thailand. Like you want to send money to anyone in the world, just do it. Like you don't have to ask the bank doesn't have to ask the government, the head bank, nothing, because everything is public and you can verify it by yourself. And that's the power of it. So today I want you to kind of get a grasp of it because in the world of blockchain, like it's a different fundamentals and your intuition of how things work in today's web is called Web 2.0. It doesn't work at all, okay? It's gonna feel really weird, but it's actually quite exciting and kind of open more opportunity for problem solving in engineering, okay? So not just financial, all right? Although, I mean, Bitcoin is really cool right now, so you should buy it, right? Okay, so how does blockchain works, right? This one is too small. I'm gonna just go to the source. What is this? Wait. Oh, okay. Okay, this guy right here. Okay, let's see if I can expand it. Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay, I think I should just download it because all right, let's look at the blockchain technology, okay? So let's read some of the fine words in here, right? It's a decentralized, right? So decentralized is something that if you have the ledger that is so public and transparent, you don't need the authority to take care of things. You can do it by your own, so that's why it's called decentralized. And it records all the transactions across the peer-to-peer network. So when you access the blockchain, think about it's the fact that it's a bunch of computers that are working together. So you don't really care where it is. Like one could be in China, the other one could be in Sweden, but they are connected in a network and it's peer-to-peer. Okay, so that's the architecture of it, right? And then inside this peer-to-peer network, there's a inner working that if you are submitting transaction, which you will do it today, then you submit it to a bunch of computer in the world. Like I don't know where they are, but the computer is mining. You might hear the word mining, right? It's mining because it want to check for validity of your transaction, and everyone has to agree on the same thing. So it is a very complicated system for proof of correctness of proof. It's called the validation system, right? And once this validation is done, everybody in here have their own copy of your transaction. So all the computers in here actually record your transaction, and anybody else in that come from outside can look up your transaction from this peer-to-peer network. It's really cool, all right? And the more people join this, it becomes really strong in terms of security. And it was, I think I just read somewhere saying that if the comet hit the Earth like today and half of the computer die, the Bitcoin data is still alive because there's so many people mining right now, and every computer that's mining in the Bitcoin network also have the record of Bitcoin transaction ever created. So that means that if half the computer die today, Bitcoin transaction still alive, you know, and that's not true for any centralized, for example, Google. If like all the computer in Google die, then you know all your data are gone. So that's a very different architecture too. Okay, probably not going to go into all of this. I just want to give you a brief introduction, right? And if anybody else interested, I do have another lecture where I teach it in more detail. Okay, but it's in Thai. Sorry. Right. Okay, so the history of Bitcoin, the history of blockchain. I always say Bitcoin. I don't know much about this, but from my standpoint, the first time I heard about this is actually the birth of Bitcoin. So it's year 2009. So it's very new. Actually, it's only like less than 20 years ago. So this is the birth of the first famous popular public blockchain that we still use today. Another one that is quite important is the year 2015. So this guy, Vitalik Buterin, he is the founder of Ethereum blockchain. So the importance of the birth of Ethereum is that Bitcoin by itself can only do one thing. It's really, really good. It can send money. So for everything that Bitcoin does, send money, right? But then Ethereum come up and then say that, wait, sending money is not the only thing that blockchain can do. How about we put in the code? So this blockchain is the first one that you can put in the program. So you can program some logics into it. It's called the contract. You can put some contract in it, and it will operate within the blockchain ecosystem, and it guarantees that everything has to be done in the way that the contract was meant to be. So it's really, really cool. And you will do it today too. It's called smart contract. We will use them in the Ethereum blockchain today. Okay, so that allows a lot of application. For example, you can use money exchange. So you might have heard of Binance or BitCup or things like that. So these exchange actually are operating on the fact that you can do some code on the blockchain, and you can do some money exchange. So it's still financial, right? But nowadays, I think there's a lot of application that's not relating to the financial, but also using the code. It's called the smart contract in the blockchain itself. Okay. All right. So again, application of blockchain. Unfortunately, it's still a lot of financial stuff, because that's the only thing that I guess it solves a lot of problem in financial world. So that's why you probably heard of like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So that is a very successful application of blockchain. But I just want to kind of lead you to another place where, as an engineer standpoint, I think blockchain can solve other problem too. And if you go to this link, you might be able to see that actually it has been used to solve other type of problem in other area, not just financial. For example, like healthcare, I think transportation, security, and things like that. So without going into too much detail, it does have some application usage in other area. But I guess it's not as compelling as the traditional solution yet, because it does have a lot of limitation. But as we progress, blockchain technology change very, very fast. I believe that this can be another tool to solve engineering problem in the future. So keep an eye on it. Apart from Bitcoin price, I think this one is something that you should look at, because it's coming for sure. But I'm not sure what form it will be, but it will come to your life. Okay. In terms of like what are you going to experience, you might have heard this word from from internet, like Web 2.0. It's something that we're using nowadays. Web 2.0 is the internet that are centralized. So think about Google, Amazon, think about Bing and Microsoft. Now they control all the server, they control all the data. Like Facebook, for example, you submit all the data to Facebook, to Google, to Amazon, they control all the data. Like, so this is what Web 2.0 is, okay? But there's a movement, the blockchain technology also enabled the birth of Web 3.0, and that is a decentralized web. And it works on completely different fundamentals from what you guys are accustomed to, and your intuition doesn't work at all. For example, when we go to Google and we sign up for an account, you know that account doesn't work on Amazon or doesn't work on Facebook, right? If you go to the Facebook, we should sign up for a different account. and you're gonna keep all the accounts, right? In Web3, it doesn't work that way. You sign up for one account, it can be used in all the blockchains. See, that's the difference. Like, it doesn't work that way. And actually, and another thing is that if you are going to the bank, like you go to like do some online transaction on your bank, you know that the bank keep your data and nobody can access your data. But in Web3, it doesn't work that way. Like, you do some transaction, anybody can look at your transaction. It's kind of weird, right? Like, how does it work? Like, what should be the privacy and security and stuff? So it works on a completely different fundamental things. And I think, I mean, today, I guess I want you to kind of see like the new way of how it works, so that you kind of get some intuition, like a new intuition of how Web 3.0 works, okay? And today we're gonna do this guy right here, MetaMask. So that is a gateway to the world of blockchains today. Okay, in closing, because this is kind of short, right? If anybody interested, I actually taught a blockchain class for the whole semester, so that will be more, but in Thai, sorry, okay? But I think in the big picture, I think what blockchain gives you is actually digital trust. I think that's very important, okay? You know this, right? When you use any service in Web 2.0 today, you have to trust it, right? For example, if you use the university register system, ระบบลงทะเบียน you actually trust that they are actually keeping a good records of you. And then, for example, if you have the grade, like you have grade A for a workshop, you trust that they will keep your data secure and correct in the future. You have to trust a university, right? But then actually that trust is, it can be broken, right? It might be possible that in the future somebody might go into your register record and change the grade of this class. It is possible. Like, how do you know? Like, how can you trust university? I mean, it seems trustable. Like, or how do you trust the government? Like when you apply for the tax and stuff, like, and you input all of your information, like, how do you know that you can trust the government? And that's a big issue, right? The blockchain, the biggest plus side of a blockchain is that you don't have to trust anyone, because everything is verifiable. You can look at the data right now and verify that it is correct. And there's an algorithm to verify that. So you don't have to trust anyone. And if you build, for example, you build the whole grading system based on blockchain, you can trust that nobody can change that data. And trust through the algorithm. It's called digital trust. And that's allow Bitcoin to work. Like, how do you trust that when you send someone money, they actually get money? That's the trust that the blockchain technology gives you, and it's very powerful. I think this can solve a lot of problems in the future, okay? Okay, we're gonna get our hands dirty. We're not gonna use Bitcoin because Bitcoin is too expensive, right? One Bitcoin is like 2 million baht or something, so we're not gonna do that, right? We're gonna get something free, so we're gonna use Ethereum. Even though Ethereum is kind of expensive right now, but we are actually using the fake Ethereum. It's called test Ethereum, so it's free, okay? Let's first, we're gonna create our first, wait, have you guys used MetaMask before? No? Okay, so this will be your first blockchain identity, right? It's almost like you signing up for Google account, but actually, when you do this identity, it's actually valid in all the blockchain. You sign up only once. Is that cool, right? You can use it in all the blockchain. Oh, I mean, in a fine print, it actually has to be Ethereum-based blockchain, but it works on a lot of the blockchain, just one account right here, okay? So I have secretly installed MetaMask extension in your Chrome, so why don't you guys open Chrome? No Edge, no Microsoft Edge, okay? Chrome only, okay? You guys see this? This guy right here? It should be in your extension panel or whatever. This guy? No? Okay, so that's the first problem. That's the first big problem. Okay, can you do it? Yeah? No? Okay, how about this? Install it for me. Because you can install extension, right? So let's do that. You can do Chrome extension. guy right here, and search for MetaMask, not this one. Why do I have this? I want to search for extension. I don't want this one. I want web store. Okay, sorry, Chrome web store, and then search for MetaMask. This guy right here. Okay, and installed it. Okay, I hope that works, because if it doesn't work, then we're done today. Go home today. Chrome web store and install MetaMask. No Microsoft Edge, please. Chrome only, okay? Today, no Microsoft Edge. It doesn't work. I mean, it works on Microsoft Edge, but I don't trust it anymore. Chrome web store. Add to Chrome. พิ่ม. Yeah, that's it, this guy right here. And then, okay, I think we should change the language. Okay, go here. Okay, about here. Okay, while you're doing that, we can go to settings.
Here's the setting.
Oh, almost.
Here.
เพิ่มใน Chrome เลยครับ เพิ่มเลยครับ ทำให้มันเกิดขึ้นมาให้ได้ครับ this one, or you have to reopen. Okay, go. Yep, cool. You guys can you help your friends? Or that's Thai. So add the language, and then can you type English? I think type English will work. Yeah, and it's fun, right? That fox thing that turn its face. And then you have to restart. Click the English. English is the second one. Yeah, that one. And then I think you need to, that should be a restart. Oh yeah, that one, restart. Okay, very good. Okay, ใช่ครับ yes. Okay, can you wait for a bit when you have the fox and you wait? I'm helping the other guys here. Yeah, รอก่อนครับแป๊บนึงครับแป๊บนึง Okay, got the fox. Okay. All right, everybody get the fox, and feel free to play with the fox. MetaMask, okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to uninstall my MetaMask because I already have stuff in it. So let me just do that real quick. Remove from Chrome. Yeah, remove from Chrome. Okay. And I'm going to reinstall MetaMask because I want to see the same thing as you do. Okay, that one and that one. So let me just do that real quick. I should be able to reinstall MetaMask. Chrome Web Store. Okay. Okay, MetaMask. No. Yep, add to Chrome. And then add extensions. Okay, I got this guy right here. Okay. Okay, all right, so first agree, and let's create new wallet. So when you say wallet, it seems like it's money, right? But actually this one is not only money, this is your identity on blockchain. It's like your entire life on blockchain. It's just not wallet.
It's like a Thai ID.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, but I guess MetaMask is creating for the financial stuff, so that's why it's called wallet. So when you say wallet, it's actually like your identity on blockchain. Okay, so we'll just do and agree, just agree, okay? So the first thing is we're gonna create the password. So this one, you probably have to remember it. So something that you can remember, okay? If you lose it, then I guess it's okay. I will tell you what happened if you lose it, okay? So I'm gonna just create something random because I don't like my easy password. I wanna do this guy right here. Okay, I do that one, okay? And then create new wallet, Okay. Okay. And I'm going to save my password here just in case. I don't want to lose it yet. Okay. But you can lose your password. This is another thing that's weird, right? You lose passwords. That's okay. Okay. So there's another thing you should do. Secure my wallet. Let's do that. Okay. So here's the thing that you should not lose. It's called the recovery phrase. Okay. It's a bunch of words that actually acts as the your proof of your identity. So not your password though. Password it can be changed, but this one, once you see it, you cannot. You cannot see it again. And if you lose it, your entire account is gone forever. So this is very important. Like people actually keep this in a paper, in the safe, not online, because this is so important. Like this word. Like if you have Bitcoin, you can lose all the Bitcoin if you lose this. So it's that important, okay? That's how important it is, okay?
มันเหมือนกับไอ้ระบบคอม Windows ล่าสุดที่เขาบอกว่ามันต้องมีรหัสผ่านเฉพาะคอมถ้าเกิดเราจำไม่ได้ก็คือ
ใช่
จำไม่ได้
ใช่มัน okay another word is private key. This is private key. Private key is like the everything that control your account. And you can lose like millions of dollars if you lose private key. And like this is so important. But I mean, for now, you can lose it. It's okay. It's just you can create a new account. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So it say make sure nobody is looking because this is so important. Like you're not supposed to share this with anyone. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, because I don't care about this account. Okay, but if you're going to keep money like cryptocurrency in here, make sure nobody get access to these words ever. Okay, this is that important. All right, once you saved it, it's going to ask you to verify just to make sure that you actually saved it. Okay, so let's do just that. Okay, water, board. Okay. And flood and slides, veteran, and confirm. Okay, and done, and next, and done, and yes. Congratulations, you have your first identity on blockchain. By the way, this is not Bitcoin though. Bitcoin, you need to have another account because Bitcoin is so different from, this one is Ethereum, okay? So your account works on all type of Ethereum-based blockchain, but not on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is another type of blockchain. Okay, and even say that, there's money, this money is in here, right? Okay? Yeah, you guys have yeah, okay, very good. If you don't save it, you have to create new account. You have to start from the beginning, okay? And you can do this at home, okay? So at home, I will show you that what happens if you go home and want to retrieve all this information. That sets of words is the only thing you need. That's pretty cool, right? I really like the way that they do it here. It's some PhD math stuff that they come up with, like all this crypto stuff. Okay, good job. Okay. And I just want to warn you, okay, if you're going to use this one for real, do not take picture. Do not do screen cap too. It's too dangerous because once your phone sync your photo to the cloud, then your secret's gone. So, only use this for testing, okay? But if you're going to do it for real, do not take picture. Take it down on the paper. I'm warning you, right? You can lose money for real, okay? It has happened, okay? A lot of time, okay? Okay, so right now, your account's on, right? What happened? Hold on, let's do this. What if I just close this, just close Chrome and try open again? Okay, let's see what happened first. All right. I'm closing all the browser. I'm opening Chrome again. Hopefully my MetaMask is still there. I should be able to access it. See? And now it's going to ask me for my password. So that it's a password that you use, not the words that you take down. Okay, you only use password to log in. Okay, so I'm going to use my password, which is the first line, right here, and unlock, and then I'm in. Okay, so that's the first thing is that, like on a regular day-to-day basis, you don't need to use that words. Okay, that secret passphrase. You only need to use your password. Okay, but so on what occasion do you need to use your passphrase? It's like here. So if you go home, so let me just close it again, and I'm going to open it again. Let's say if I go home and I download MetaMask, right? And then it's asked me to maybe like set up my account. That in that moment, you're going to have to use your passphrase. And to mimic that, you can say forgot password. Let's do this. Let's forgot password. That's the same thing as setting up like a new MetaMask from scratch. Like import your account in the new MetaMask environment. Okay, so let's try forget your password, and you'll see what happened. All right, so I'm gonna say forget my password. Okay, and it's gonna ask you for the passphrase that you just take down. So this is like importing your account into the MetaMask. So if you go home, that is a step that you need to do to get back into your MetaMask. It's gonna ask you for all of these words again, and in order to do that, actually, if you just copy and paste, it works. So that's another good thing if you don't have to take picture, because you can just copy and paste, and it works. Okay, so instead of have to typing 12 times, you can just copy and paste. So make sure at least you get it in some digital form, but not picture. Okay, and then it even asks you for the new password. So as you can see, if you have your passphrase, you can get your account back and reset password every time. So your password is not important. The only thing that's important is your passphrase. That's your private key. Do not lose it.
Yeah, I forget. It's not. That means I can go.
If you forget your private key, you create everything from scratch again. That means you start at $0 again. If that is your concern, do not lose private key ever. Okay? I don't know if I stressed that enough, but people do lose money. Okay? All right, so I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna make my passwords the same so that I don't have to have a new one. Right? All right, I'm gonna restore. So you can always import or restore your stuff with the passphrase. Okay, now I'm back in here. So you guys are good with me, or should I need some help? Okay, I guess if you don't want to do it right now, it's okay. But just remember that you gotta go back home and type in all those words, and you wanna import your account back at your home. Okay. Okay. So right now we need to fix it because this is $0. So we don't like we like some money, man, right? So, but again, this is the actual money, because you see right here, this is Ethereum mainnet. So any cryptocurrency that you put in here actually costs real money, because that's something that can be traded on BitCup, for example, right? We don't want to do that because it's too expensive. Why don't we go here? We're going to go to Show Test Network. This allows us to go into the test network that doesn't cost money to buy cryptocurrency for testing. Okay. Okay, I'll go back again. See this drop down right here? That's called Ethereum mainnet. We don't want that yet. But actually, if you buy stuff from BitCup, you can put your account here, and then the money will come here for real. Okay, but we don't do that now. Okay, we're gonna show test network. Okay, and if you show test network, can you select Sepolia for me, please? This is another Ethereum network where cryptocurrency in there free. Okay? Good? Okay, ไปละ Okay. And it even shows that this is not real money. It's called Sepolia ETH. If you're wondering how much ETH costing right now, just go to BitCup, man. Go check it out. Okay, so right now, one ETH is about, right here. So one ETH is about, let's see. This is Bitcoin, man. I want Ethereum, so I gotta do, I want in here. It's not coming. Okay, it's loading. Anyway, we'll just do ETH price on Google. Okay, so right now it's 13,000, so 100,000 กว่าบาท one ETH is 13,000 baht. Okay, like 137,000 baht, so 100,000 baht. Okay, it's very expensive right now. Okay, like before when I start the blockchain journey, one Ethereum only cost 5,000 baht, and I sell them all. So yeah, I lose that chance. If I keep them, like I used to have 32 ETH when it was 5,000 baht, and now it was 137,000 baht. I sold it when it was like 10,000 baht. Damn. Okay, I could have known. Nobody knows.
Yeah.
Nobody knows. In financial world, nobody knows. That's another story. I can tell you. I lose the opportunity a lot. I gain money, but I lose that opportunity cost. Okay. Okay. All right. So everybody, you should have Sepolia ETH. Okay. So let's get some ETH. We're gonna go to my slides again. Okay. Where's my slides? Okay. And I'm gonna go to my slides. Okay, this one, go to this one. And so Google is kind enough to give us the free cryptocurrency. So we're gonna go here. And what you wanna do is that you wanna make sure you select Ethereum, Sepolia. And then it's gonna ask you for the wallet address, okay? So the wallet address is like your bank account. So it's something that you can tell others about. Like you don't give them your secret passphrase, but you can give others your wallet address, okay? So how do I access my wallet address? We go to MetaMask, and you see this icon right here below your account one. You can copy them, copy to clipboards, right? Copy, and then come here to this, and you can paste them here. So that is the length of your wallet address, okay? You probably need to sign in for Google too, all right? And then just do that. Okay? I mean, I already did this morning, so it doesn't allow me to do it again. But you guys should be able to do it, okay?
That means I need to sign a Google account first, right?
You need to sign in for your Google account first. So make sure you sign in to Google, all right? And then you can ask Google for the free cryptocurrency.
It doesn't problem on my account, right?
It's okay. I just want you to know the source of getting free, it's called token, the free token. But we're gonna do another experiment where I give you my tokens too. So if you don't get it, that's okay. But I want you to try first. ฮะได้ไหมเข้า Google ก่อนครับนี่ทำแล้วเนี่ยได้แล้ว you guys got it okay for the money is useless there's no value it's okay that's why I give you for free okay if you did it already come back to MetaMask and see your number goes up
Okay, receive.
you received it okay go back to your MetaMask and see your money goes up
How you show me the list on the tab?
Okay. Maybe if I closed it, and I can do maybe full screen or expanded view. Okay. I didn't know that too. Okay. All right. I mean, I don't have it because my MetaMask. I already asked Google this morning, so then give me.
So right now I got a
0.05. You should get 0.05 Sepolia ETH. ขอมาขอ address ใหม่ครับอยู่นี่เนาะ address ก๊อปนี้มาก๊อปแล้วก็ไปแปะใหม่ได้แล้วก๊อปดีๆครับก๊อปดีๆ got it โอเค
อยู่ดีคอมมันก็ค้างแล้วก็พิมพ์เอง
ถ้าพิมพ์เองเนี่ยลอง restart คอมพิวเตอร์เขาบอกว่า Data จะไม่หายเชื่อมันป่ะเชื่อเขาป่ะโอเคสตาร์ทเลยอันนี้พี่เขาบอกมาไงเขาบอกว่า Data หายก็ทำใหม่วันนี้ไม่ได้ทำอะไรนี่ไปดูเมตาแมสไม่ต้องครับดูเมตาแมสสิเงินมาแล้วยังน่ามาแล้วเห็นไหมครับเนี่ยคุณมีเงินแล้วเนี่ยแต่เงินไม่มีค่านะครับเงินนี่คือเงินปลอมมันอยู่ในมันโอเค you guys got some eat man okay wait still zero you on the wrong place man gotta go to Sepolia go down show test network and go down Sepolia okay and let's go ask from Google okay oh you already got it okay so you should see your interesting okay maybe wait a little bit more it should come soon okay but you're on the wrong that's why you got Sepolia okay all right so it's okay if you don't get money because I'm gonna give it to you guys anyway okay I'm gonna show you how to give money to your friends okay so let's do this first I'm gonna open another tab for me okay so that one's for me and I got okay look how rich I am right because when I teach a blockchain class I ask for Google every day for like many months so even if it's free it takes a lot of effort like I ask for Google every day and they get this much
It's a fake, right?
it's a fake right but it does take some effort but I'm gonna give it to you guys today okay so let's do this let's ของปลอมแต่ว่ามันใช้พลังในการขอนะเว้ยมันขอทุกวันนะเว้ยมันเหนื่อยนะเว้ย
ก็ขอทุกวัน
มันเหนื่อยเว้ย okay I'm gonna give it to you guys but I'm gonna give it to one of you in a row and then you can give it to your friend so I want you to try sending money to your friends okay
That's like the main of the blockchain.
no this is not the blockchain this is just giving money to people this is charity not blockchain but I want you to do this I want you to go to this site because I just found the site where I can just chat with you and I can send you can send me your information so go to this website tlk.io okay and go to this link right here 85B091 so if you join this channel you can send me your wallet address okay so then I can give money to you I want your wallet address don't give me your passphrase give me your wallet address all right but not everyone I want to for this street maybe you send me okay อันนี้ส่งให้ผมนะครับขอส่งให้ผมไม่ต้องเดี๋ยวคุณส่งให้เพื่อนนะผมอยากให้คุณส่งให้เพื่อนเพราะฉะนั้นคุณส่งให้ผม1 คนจากผมแล้วไปต่อให้เพื่อนโอเคyou send it to me เดี๋ยวส่งให้ผมนะครับโอเค you send your wallet to me through that link okay
But my wallet is zero.
it's okay I'm gonna send money to you and you send to her I want you to have this exercise of sending money to people okay you send เดี๋ยวรอจากเพื่อนนะครับโอเค okay you send wallet to me okay you send wallet to me and then you send to that guy right so let's do that okay I'm waiting for you your wallet address so I can send you money let's go give me your money give me your address and I give you fake money
Name?
Write your name. You have to write your name. And then send me your wallet address, man.
My name is, why I can't write the name?
Do I
Why I can't write the name?
พิมพ์ตรงนี้
อ๋อ ตรงนี้
ส่งมาครับ ส่งได้ไหมระบบใช่ใช่เขียนก่อนครับ
น้องเจีย
ส่งมาสักคนหนึ่ง
แล้วก็ผมก็กดตรงแชทนี่หว่า
Enter มั้งจำไม่ได้มันทำไง ผมไม่รู้อะ
แล้วก็ผม
ไม่เวิร์กแล้วส่งแปะมานี้ให้ผมหน่อย แปะ address ให้ผมหน่อย
address ก็คือตัวนี้
ใช่go นี่ like that somebody sent me wallet address already so do that okay okay I'm gonna send this guy เนี่ย do like this send me wallet address to this okay
ขอบคุณนะแล้วก็วางโอเค
thank you okay so here's the thing if I want to send address money to this guy right I can go to my account why don't I have anything oh okay sorry I'm actually have to be in the other tab this guy right here so let me do it again okay this one and then I go back to my MetaMask yeah okay and I can click send see the icon send I'm gonna send this guy right here okay and I can choose how many so I give you 0.5 okay forget I'm so kind okay and you just hit continue okay and I want to show you what happened okay so when you want to send people money it's actually cost what's it called the transaction fee which is makes sense right you're gonna have to pay someone you're not paying for the bank you're paying for the peer in the network to validate your transaction it's called the gas okay when you see the word gas there might be the word gas in here that's the transaction fee so I'm gonna hit confirm and you should see my money appearing soon and then you can send to your friends hopefully equally all right so okay this guy get money from me please
Yeah, I already.
you got it very good okay
So next I need to send.
so you need to get your wallet address from your friends and send it to your friends in some certain way or form or you can send it use it here but
Can I use the TLK.io?
yeah you can use that or you can just I'm gonna copy this one in here so that you guys can spam it doesn't matter I'm gonna use the wallet address from here so you guys can just talk to one another here
I mean we can use this chat.
yeah you can use this chat I already copy everything okay
Write your name for me. Okay.
okay I'm gonna send this guy 0.5 there confirm okay the third guy okay I'm gonna do
Continue.
0.5
Okay. Let's see.
okay
Send us a minute. No, just ready. Can I check first?
Okay, I have sent 4 of you 0.5 either each. Okay, so let's make sure that you get it and then you can send to your friends. ขึ้นไหมส่งแล้วนะครับ เดี๋ยวก่อนยังไม่มาไง ถ้ามันคุณต้องมี 0.5 ก่อน นี่มัน 0.05
copy link ใครแล้วก็ส่ง
อันนี้หมายว่าคุณต้องมีเงินก่อนนะครับคุณมีเงินเข้าหรือยัง คุณมีเงินเข้ายังเดี๋ยวก่อนเดี๋ยวก่อนwallet คุณอะอยู่ในนี้เปล่าคุณมี wallet คุณอยู่อันไหนเอ่ยเพราะผมส่งไว้4คนนี้เท่านั้นไงไม่ถ้าคุณไม่มีคุณส่งไว้ผมข้างบนอันไหนครับอ๋อเพิ่งส่งไปนี่เหรอ9061นี่เหรออ๋อเพิ่งส่งไปเมื่อกี้ลองดูใหม่พอดีมันโอเค it takes time okay that's the first thing that you're gonna experience blockchain is slow it's very slow compared to the Web 2.0. That's the first big limitation because it needs this complicated validation process. So it's slow. Okay? So be patient. It is slow.
Continue. Okay, I said it
I
already.
get you.
เกือบ2 นาทีได้
นานอันนี้คือจุดหลักเลยครับ มันช้าครับ มันช้าครับเพราะมันคอมพลีเคทมากเลยครับ
แน่นอน
อืม
กดกลับไปก่อนดิเซตใส่วางก่อนแล้วก็รอแป๊บนึงเห็นไหมตรงเนี้ยมันจะใส่จำนวน
เออ
ได้05หรือ01ก็ได้แล้วแต่
0.5 เยอะไปครับ
เยอะไป
เพราะคุณมีแค่ 0.5
0.0
เออ 0.5 ได้หมด
โอเค
นี่ครับ ถึงแม้ว่าเป็นเงินปลอม แต่เราก็จะเริ่มมีความงกเกิดขึ้น ไม่ยอมส่งให้เพื่อนถูกไหมถึงแม้ว่าแม่งเงินปลอม แต่คุณก็ไม่ยอมกัก แต่คุณก็กักของตัวเองอยู่ดี Why This is human greed
มอนไม่ขึ้นเนี่ยมอนทำไมมอน
This is human greed Okay
ทีนี้ก็รอผมบอกให้แทนเมื่อกี้
ไม่ปั๊มนี่เลยมอน
Everybody should have at least Yes
How to try for the payment?
Wait what happened did you have money you Okay continue you can confirm you're good to go yeah you're good to go Wait, you only give your friend that much? This is not even real money and you still get greedy. Come on, man. Gotta be more generous. This is not even real money. Now you know his nature, man. This is you know what he's made of.
no
Okay, I want everyone to have some money because we're gonna use them for smart contract later, right? So please get some money from someone. Okay? You guys need some money, okay? หาเงินปลอมไหมเนี่ย
เงินปลอมเงินงกเลย
Alright, so here's the fun part. You send people money, right? You can look into everyone's transaction. It's transparent. Okay, let me show you this.
Why my money is half of it?
Okay, your money is not gonna be the same as the one. I mean, you have to take into account the transaction fee, so it's gonna be a little bit less.
Okay.
Even if you, yeah, okay. So here's the fun part. You guys go to this website called, or you can do this. Go to MetaMask and you can see Activities tab, okay? And you can click into one of them, okay? And you're gonna see something called View on Block Explorer. Check it out. Check out the Block Explorer.
Yeah, I check it.
Okay, check out the block. So view your transaction through the activity tab. Activity tab here. Okay, that's the activity tab. It's usually token. Like go to activity and click into one of your activities, and then view on block explorers. Okay. Okay, so when I say that you can look into everyone's transaction, this is where you look at it. Okay, so. For example, if I look at this is the sending money part, right? I'm sending, this is me. This is one of you guys, okay? I'm sending 0.5 ETH. This information is actually public. It's transparent. Like everyone in the world can look at this transaction to verify, okay? And why don't we do this? I'm gonna click into this guy right here. So I know that this is one of you. I don't know who you are. But this is one of you. I'm going to click into your account, okay? And I know right now what you did, okay? This guy gets 0.5. This is from Google, probably. And then, oh no, it's actually transaction out, right? So this one from Google, this one from me, right? And this one sent out. So this guy only sent out this much when he get this much. So this guy is too greedy. Do not trust this guy, okay? I don't know who they are, but this guy, this is not good friends, man. All right? See how spooky this is? Like I can look into this guy transaction and think about it. If this is real money, there's no difference. I can look at this. You wanna see the big thing in the blockchain, in the Bitcoin right now? I'm gonna show you this one. Okay? I'm gonna go to Bitcoin Block Explorer. Okay? I wanna see who's sending Bitcoin. Okay? And you're gonna see something pretty cool. Okay? So this is Bitcoin, man. If I go to the latest block, maybe, okay? Okay, come on, man, go. Or maybe I can go to the block that has been mined because this one is still mining. So I need to go to the one that is mined. Okay, this is fine. All right, so this is actually the transaction that occur in Bitcoin blockchain right now. Okay, and I can see that the guy on the top. You can see that. Okay, there's a guy on the top. This guy is actually sending 3 Bitcoin. So that's about $6 million, 6 million baht. So 1 Bitcoin is about 2 million, right? So this guy is sending 12 million baht to this guy. 12, right? For actually 15, right? Like almost 5 Bitcoin. So that's about like 10 million baht to this guy. So if you want to see who this is, you can just click here. I want to see what this guy does, right? Because he's sending a lot of money. Like, what does he do? I'm going to click here. And I can see that this guy has been sending a lot of Bitcoin in the past. You see how spooky this is? I can see everything. And some of the accounts actually owned by the big investment banks. Like some of your fund might be in the Bitcoin trust. Because when you invest in the LTF and whatever, that is like maybe your parents invest in the fund ต่างๆ อะไรเงี้ย they might be actually owning this account and they're like changing money. So usually when you see a lot of Bitcoin changing, that's usually the institution, financial institution changing the money, like moving things around. That I can see it too. Yeah, you just don't know who it is, but you can see what this guy does. Ever, right? I can even go to the first Bitcoin and see what the creator of Bitcoin does. Like he has the first account. He mined the first block. It's called Satoshi Nakamoto. That's pretty cool, right? That's the power of blockchain. It's so different from what you have today.
You don't know who you are, but I know what are you doing here.
Yeah, that's what it is. And you can bet your ass that government's gonna track all of this, right? Yeah, that's why there's like a story where if you own a lot of Bitcoin from the past, people hunting you down because they want your private key. You have to hide because you're too rich. Because like before, Bitcoin is so cheap, right? So people like sometimes they just mine for fun, like I don't know, like 15 years ago, and they have maybe like 100 Bitcoins. But suddenly when Bitcoin is this much, they become like billionaires, right? But then people are starting to find you because they want your money, so you have to hide. There's so much story that's so weird because of this thing. Like, cause they know what this account is doing, so they know like, okay, if you're transacting, then they kind of trace you down. So you basically have a lot of money, but you cannot do transaction because once you do transaction, people know about it and they track you down. This is happening too. So that's kind of interesting story about Bitcoin. So let's not do anything about financial. It's kind of scary, right? But okay, another thing I want you to do is that if you go to BitCup one more time, I want to show you that actually there's not only just Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? There are so many cryptocurrencies in here. Okay, I want to show you this one right here. It's called Link. Okay, So link is cryptocurrency. It's called Chainlink. Okay. Right now it's trading not that expensive. Like it's about 1,000 baht each. Okay. You can have link too. I'm gonna give you some link, man. Okay. But free link. The link that doesn't have any value. So it's a link on Sepolia. Okay. But I can have some link. So if I go here, right? Where is my link, right? I only have Sepolia, right? Where is my link? My link actually in here. Let me show you this. Okay, my slides keep disappearing. So it's actually here. I have to go here. Okay, right here. So this is technically this is the address of the smart contract that control the link circulation. Okay, I'm throwing a lot of words to you right now, but just take my word for it, okay? So this is the program that control the circulation of link token. Okay, so I'm gonna go here, okay, copy, and I'm gonna go back to my MetaMask. You guys should do it with me, okay? So copy this address, okay, and we're gonna go to my MetaMask, and I'm gonna go to token, and import token. Okay, token, import token. ไม่ขึ้น เอาใหม่นะครับ Okay, one more time. Okay, we're gonna go to my get some link, right? There's an address in here. Go back to your MetaMask. Go to your token tab. Import token. Okay, and paste it in here. อยู่ตรง3จุดเหรอครับ
บางโครงมันขึ้นตรง3จุดนะครับ
ตรงนี้เหรอ
กดก่อนแล้วมันจะโผล่
อ๋อ โอเค do something with token. Try to find token, import token, and paste it in here. And you should be able to see that the link come in automatically. ไหนขอดูหน่อยครับว่าหน้าตาเป็นยังไง กด Dex ได้เลยครับ โอเค โอเคงั้นโอเค Okay. Now, if you look at my link, you can see that you have 0 link. I have 2,000 links. If it's for real money, I would have 2 million bahts already, right? One link is about 1,000 baht. So if I have this much link in the real Ethereum net, I'm a millionaire. But sadly, this doesn't contain, this is no value, okay? But I'm gonna give you link, right? How do I give you link? Same thing. So I'm gonna keep the same guy, all right? Because it's in here. So for no particular reason, I'm gonna give this guy, which is you, right? I'm probably gonna see what you did, right? I can see what you did too, okay? So I'm gonna send, actually I have to click link, right? I wanna send link. See the difference? If I app the main page, I'm sending Ethereum, right?
It's not link.
It's not link. If I wanna send link, I go to link and send link, okay? And then I'm gonna send to this guy, and you can get, I give you 200, okay? Ooh, okay? And we'll see how much this guy gives to your friends, right? Nothing is a secret anymore. All right? Yeah, I sent the link already, right? Okay, the second guy gets my link. Okay, where is it? I have to go to token, and then link, and then send more link. Okay, third guy.
Okay, bro. I'm gonna send you 100, and we will send it to the link. It will be share.
See, once we know, once everything public, then people acting good, right? But once they know that their information is public, then that's the beauty about blockchain. It's like it's self-regulating. ยังครับเดี๋ยวขอคนที่3ก่อนพูดมากแป๊บนึงผมพูดมากแป๊บนึงไม่เสร็จสักที
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? Good job. Okay, now the fourth guy gets my link.
Okay, I give you 100. maybe 5 minutes
Maybe 30 seconds, not 5 minutes. 5 is too long. But But yeah, seriously, before it does take like 30 minutes to send something. Now it's getting better. Okay, I sent link to everyone. Okay, I wanna check out on the first guy. Okay, I wanna see what he did. I can see his transaction right here. So this is you. Wait, nope, not this one. Okay. Nah, that's you, man. Wait. Yeah, that's you.
you give me 100
Yeah.
I said I'll
Okay. Yeah, that's you. It's not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
no because I give him and
Okay, give it. Okay, not bad. But you still keep the most anyway, right? You're not splitting.
คนหนึงแล้วก็ให้ไอ้คนนั้นน่ะส่งให้อีกคนหนึงแทนก็ได้
Okay. Oh, this guy doesn't this one doesn't work. So let me send the last one again. Okay, I sent the last guy again because the transaction failed. So it is possible that the transaction can fail. So you gotta keep track of your status too. Huh?
อาจจะต้องรอมันนานจริงๆ
ครับก็นี่แหละครับ ก็เห็นท่าแท้กันก็วันนี้แหละครับ ผมว่าขนาดเงินปลอมเนี่ยมันยังเป็นอย่างนี้กันเลย
ทุกอย่างจะดีขึ้นถ้าอาจารย์ไม่โชว์งานรูปตอนที่เป็นเงินบาท
ใช่ไหมโอ้ยตอนที่ผมมาตอนแรกอะลิงก์10 บาทเอง
ลิงก์10 บาท
10 บาท ผมซื้อไปประมาณหลายร้อยลิงก์แล้วผมก็ขายตอนมัน15 บาท
ตอนนี้เท่าไหร่แล้ว
1,000 บาท
โอ้ย
คือผมดูพวกนี้ผมปวดใจกูพลาดโอกาสสุดงามไป
เขาถึงว่าเวลาลงทุนพวกนี้มัน
ต้องใจแข็ง
10 ปี 20 ปี
ใช่ต้องใจแข็ง yes
กินตอนแก่เลย
ใช่ เพราะถ้าคุณซื้อตอนคุณรอมันตกอีกรอบนึงคุณค่อยซื้อ ก็ยังทัน
ผมยังคุณไม่ได้มันไม่20
แต่ในโลกของคริปโตอ่ะจริงๆอาจจะได้ เพราะว่าตอนซื้อเนี่ยมันจะ KYC มันจะให้คุณส่งพวกบัตรประชาชน คือไอตอนที่มันตรวจคุณได้มันตรวจตอนที่คุณส่งเงินบาท แต่ถ้าเกิดเมื่อไหร่คุณมีเงินคุณไปเป็นคริปเป็นบล็อกเชนอ่ะไม่มีใครตรวจคุณได้แล้วเพราะว่ามัน decentralized หมดแล้ว
ใช่กันเขาจะต้องรอก่อน
ต้องใช่คือแต่ว่าถ้าเกิดแบบว่าผมแบบคุณซื้อผ่านผมอะเช่นเอาเงินมาแล้วผมซื้อให้แล้วผมส่งให้คุณอะคุณเทรดต่อได้เลย เพราะว่ามันอยู่ในโลกของบล็อกเชนแล้วมันไม่มีใครมาคอนโทรลคุณได้แล้วนั่นเขาทำอย่างนี้กันจริงนะภาษาเขาเรียก over the counter เขาเรียก OTC ซื้อแบบ OTC แปลว่าเอาเงินให้ผมเป็นเงินบาทแล้วผมโอนคริปโตให้คุณแล้วคุณไปเล่นเลยก็ได้ก็คือหมายถึงว่ามัน
ขายกันในชีวิตจริงเลย
ใช่เขาเรียก OTC ใช่ OTC ครับ
OTC
over the counter
แต่ก่อนหน้าผมต้องมี account ก่อนถึงจะนี่ได้
ไม่ก็เนี่ยคุณมีแล้วไงใช่ไหมคุณมีปุ๊บเนี่ยตอนเนี้ยถ้าคุณบอกว่าเอาเงินให้ผมนะผมซื้อลิงก์ผมโอนให้คุณได้เลยนะเงินจริงนะหมายถึงลิงก์ในเมนเน็ตอ่ะ
อันนี้เป็นแค่แบบลิงก์พร้อม
อันนี้เป็นอยู่ในเน็ตที่เป็นเทสเน็ตเพราะนั้น
อ๋อเป็นเทสไม่ใช่ตัว
มันจะมิเรอร์กันหมดเลยนะ แต่ว่าเงินไม่มีค่าแค่นั้นเองแต่มิเรอร์ทุกฟังชั่นอลิตี้ในนี้หมดเลยทำได้หมดเลยเหมือนกันเดะเลยเจ๋งไหมOkay, this is not even the cool part yet, though. This is just money, man. But I have some other cool part I want to show you. Okay, you guys get some link. So we don't use link in this exercise. In the next exercise, we only need the ETH. Okay, the ETH. Okay. Okay, เริ่มทะเลาะกันนะครับไม่มีเงินมันก็ทะเลาะกันได้
อาจารย์ผมก็ไม่คิดเขา
แลบนี้ไม่ดีนะทำให้แตกกัน
ข่าวที่มันมีดาราท่านหนึงเขาเล่นบิตคอยน์ใช่ไหมแล้วเขาลืมตัว รหัส13คำนะฮะจบเลย
จบเงินศูนย์เลยใช่ใช่
เขาแล้วมีคนไปเช็คว่าเขาแบบมีเท่าไหร่ที่เขาแบบที่เขาได้เข้ามาเยอะมากเขาจำไม่ได้
ใช่ใช่
ก็ขุดกันต่อไปขุดกันต่อไปเรื่อยเจอ
Okay. Can I move on? Link is not that important. Just want to show you the cryptocurrency. That's all. Okay. Shall we go? Shall we move on? Okay. Okay. All right. So the next part I want to show you is even cooler in my engineering standpoint. No, not financial. So it's called smart contracts. So let's check it out. Okay. So here, you need help. I can help you if you're not done. Done? Done? Okay, done? Okay. So the second part is even cooler from my engineering standpoint because you're gonna make a love letter to anyone you want, right? And here's the thing, your love letter cannot be erased ever. Like whatever you write in your love letter in here, it's go into the blockchain, it stay there forever. I'm serious. You cannot delete it. There's no way you can. The only way that the data can be lost is that all the computer in the Ethereum network just suddenly crash, which never happened because they have many computer, right? So technically, your message, even if in this fake, if in the testnet, cannot be erased. Okay, so whatever you confess it here, it's better be eternal. Okay, let's do just that. ไม่หายครับอยู่ตลอดกาลครับ okay so in order to do that we're gonna have to write some code okay like I tell you that Bitcoin can only send money but Ethereum you can write code and this is what we're gonna do we're gonna write code that writes data to the blockchain your confessions and that stay forever okay in order to do that we're gonna go to this editor it's called the online editor it's called Remix okay let's do just that Okay. Okay, so this one, like here. Okay. This guy right here. Okay. If you think it looks like VS Code, yeah, it just it uses the same engine from VS Code. Looks like VS Code. Okay, it's called Remix. Okay.
เขาเข้าไปหน้านี้
ฮะโอเคครับอ๋อถูกแล้วครับก็กดไปให้มันออกไปเช่น learning ก็ได้แล้วกดไปครับเรียบร้อยกดให้มันออกไปโอ้โทษโอเค got it พัดไพ่ถึงนี่แล้วครับถึงนี่แล้วครับOkay, so this is like editor that we're gonna write code and we're gonna make like the word is deploying to the blockchain. Okay, all right, let's get some code, man. So why don't can we go to this contracts right here? You see the folder? It looks like VS Code basically, right? Okay, go to the contracts, and then can you create new files for me, please? So I want the file to be in the contracts folder, okay? You can name it anywhere you like, and any name you like. I usually love.s, but extension is SOL, okay? So you just name it something SOL, like love.sol. It's a language, the blockchain language called Solidity, so that's why it's SOL. Okay, and in the right panel, that's where you're gonna put the code. Okay, so the code is in my lecture slide, right here. So make sure you copy everything, okay, until the end. So actually, I just noticed that in the end, there's like an extra things in here. So please make sure you copy everything. Okay, and paste it in your editors, like that. And it's going to warn you that, wait, be careful when you do this, because if you put in the bad code stay forever too. Okay, it doesn't get erased. So make sure you are pretty sure what you're writing is not being edited by anyone else. So that's what the warning's about. So everything is so permanent that's like it looks scary, right?
Is can delete.
No, nobody can delete this code. Once you deploy it on the blockchain, this thing stays forever too, including your message too. You'll see. It's so cool. It's like the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Like it's so cool. Okay.
เขียนเรื่องหน้าเอาไว้แล้วก็อ่าน
Okay. So if you copy everything, then that should. I mean, if you see error, then that means you might not copy everything. So if you see error, like do they make sure get me to help you? Okay. All right. If you're good, then we're gonna go to this one. Okay. So can you guys go here? Just a little bit. Solidity compiler. In here. So make sure that you click. That's it. Go away. Sorry. Auto compile. Right here. Okay. So you write the code. The code needs to get compiled by the compiler. Okay. So make sure it's auto compile. All right. And you're good to go. Okay. All right. So the next step is we're gonna deploy this code onto the blockchain. Okay. This is gonna be fun, man. Okay. Click here. It's another one. Deploy and run transactions. Okay. All right. So let's do this. Can you come here to the deploy button? Okay. Whatever you write in here stays forever. So I'm gonna do this. I love you, mom, because I love my mom. Okay. You can love anyone. Okay. You can just write anything. Whatever you write into that deploy button, stay forever. Okay, so better be. So do not put in sensitive information in here. How about you guys love something else, because then we can verify our message, right? So love someone else. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. So before we hit deploy button, I want you to go up into the top. It's called environments. Okay. Can you change it into MetaMask? Okay. Because we're using MetaMask, right? So we're gonna deploy through MetaMask. Okay. So choose MetaMask. Okay. And okay. So make sure it's not something else. It's MetaMask, because we're using MetaMask, right? And the moment of truth, deploy.
Okay.
Go. Nah. It's going to ask you to pay some transaction fee, because this is real. And click confirm. You need some ETH for that.
Why I don't have anything?
You should have some money.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Confirm, and it's there forever. Whatever I just wrote. Okay? That's why I told you guys to get some money, some ETH. Because you don't have ETH, you cannot deploy your contracts.
Can you see?
โอเค น่าจะได้แล้วครับ น่าจะได้แล้ว
make a paste like a single wall.
Okay, that's because you use PDF version. Can you use the HTML version? Go back. HTML. Copy the whole thing, including the comments, including this one too. Actually, go down better. Yeah. Yeah, okay, click here, auto compile, and click here, and then choose MetaMask, okay, and write something here. Don't need to do that yet. Write something here, and deploy. Okay, do you have some problem? You have problems? MetaMask, you cannot click deploy?
Yeah.
Do you have MetaMask here?
Yeah.
Okay, can you click here? It's actually waiting for your transaction to connect.
Oh.
Okay, maybe you should deploy again. I think you haven't done it yet. Hold on, one moment. Yeah, so that's the deployment. Hold on, wait 1 second. Okay. Okay, can you, why is it review alerts? Network fee? It's weird. Can I see if you already deployed your stuff? Okay.
deploy ลุยอะไร
Oh, okay. You don't have enough ETH. Okay. So you need more money. This is too little. Can you get more money from anyone?
ใช่ไหม
Send me your address and I give you more money.
And also from
Okay, send me your address into the chat again. Okay, so some people doesn't have enough money. See the problem? You guys should distribute the money equally. Okay, give me your wallet, man. It's okay. Is this a new one? Is this the one is this yours? Okay. Give me your wallet. Okay, another one. Can you give me your? Have you given me your wallet? Is this your wallet? I already given this one. Can you give me your wallet? Oh, wait. Where? Is it here? Is this your wallet? Just give me your wallet. Just give me your wallet. Okay, I got it. Thank you. Okay, can you try again? I'm gonna keep going a little bit more. I'll come help you guys if you have problem. Okay, so for those who are wondering, okay, where is the stuff that I just deployed? Why don't you go to activities and go to this one? It should say contracts. It should say like it's not just sending. It's actually deploying contracts to the blockchain, right? So click on this one and go to Block Explorers again. Okay, you should be able to see something like this. Okay, back a little bit, right? So I'm gonna go to my activities, and it should be the top one, not for me because I just sent money, but for you it should be something with contract. Okay, click on it and view on Block Explorers. So essentially I want you to see what the transaction is.
you're looking for.
Okay.
Maybe I don't finish.
MetaMask อยู่ไหน
Yeah.
โอเค activity
ผมยังไม่ได้ส่งนะ
try again
ผมกด deploy ไปแล้วจนตัว
wrong one
อ๋อ นี่ไง
provider ตัวนี้โอเคเอาใหม่ครับ
ผม deploy ก่อนไหม
connect เลย Okay, if you don't see it, that means you might not have deployed your stuff.
โอเคงั้นผมลองก่อน
มันต้องหา มันต้องเอากดใหม่ครับกดใหม่กดใหม่อันนี้ผิดอันอีกแล้วโอเคลองกดใหม่เนาะกดนี่เนาะ
เดี๋ยวทำไมไม่เปลี่ยน
ไม่ไป
เดี๋ยวผมกดดีพอยไปแล้วมันเลยไปต้องลบอีกเหรอ
ไม่นะจริงๆมันเปลี่ยนเอางี้ลองเปลี่ยนเป็นอันนี้ก่อนอะไรก่อนโอเคแล้วก็เปลี่ยนกลับเป็น MetaMask สิมันว่าอะไรปะ
เป็นกับเป็นเม
เอ
ตา
อ
ไม่ขึ้นนะครับ
มันไม่ขึ้นเนาะ
หน้าแปลกผม
เน็ตตอนนี้เน็ตพังวะครับ
ไม่ผ่านนะผมก็ใช้ได้
ใช้ได้เนาะ
อาจจะเพราะว่าผมอาจจะต้องลบอะไรค่าสคริปต์
เอางี้กลับไปลองเดี๋ยวผมลองเลยได้ไหมแป๊บเดียวขอดูหน่อย Okay so some of you might not have it with you okay
เพื่อนยังยังเซิร์ฟเวอร์ผิดไม่รู้
โหลดใหม่เลยแน่ใจว่าเด็ดมีดูเหมือนเน็ตหลุดนะเนี่ย
ผมลองเชื่อม
ลองดูดิเน็ตหลุดอ่ะโอ้ครับได้ไหม
ทำไมต่อ
อันนี้เงินไม่พอแน่เลยเฮ้ยทำไมคุณเงินไม่พออ่ะคุณผมสวยคุณไม่เหรอนี่ไงเงินไม่พอจริงด้วยก็ถ้าอยากได้เงินเพิ่มก็ต้องส่งลิงก์ส่ง address ให้ผมถึงจะได้เงินเพิ่ม
เอ้ยส่งจะเป็นอันนี้
เหรอคุณมีเงินเท่าไหร่อ่ะทำไมเงินคุณน้อยเหรอผมสวยคุณไม่เหรอ
มันน่า
ส่งมาไม่ได้หรอก
คือผมน่าจะได้ละ
ได้นะ
ปิดช่องเป็นนี่โอเคผมเปลี่ยนได้ละ
โอเคเยี่ยม
กดดีพอย
ครับโอเค I need to send this more money อันไหนครับเนี่ยเดี๋ยวก่อนอันไหนเนี่ยอันนี้ปะถ่ายเนอะโอเคโอเคเอาใหม่ can you guys send
ตัวนี้
ก็โอเคใช่แล้วถูกต้องกดเลยครับดู block explorer โอเคอันนี้เดี๋ยวต้องรอนิดนึงตัวเดี๋ยวมันจะมีตรงนี้โผล่ขึ้นมา contact creation รอแป๊บนึงโอเคเดี๋ยวรอไปก่อนเดี๋ยวเงินมาแล้วคุณลอง deploy ดูรอเงินก่อนครับโอเค alright let me move on okay so if you guys look at the contract explorers you're gonna see that this is where your stuff is so you're gonna see that it's from is from you that's your account but then you don't send money to anyone this one you are creating the code on the blockchain and this is where the code is this is the contract address this is the address like remember when I say I copy the link address that you paste into your MetaMask same thing link has a lot of code that control the link circulation your contract control your confessions okay so let me just why don't we click into here right from you guys it should be different but because everyone has your own contracts okay so I'm gonna click here from me okay and okay so you might be wondering okay so where's your message right okay here's the thing okay I can go to okay can I go back for a bit sorry can I go back for a bit okay here's the thing if I want to see my my message I think it's in detail okay and if you go to view input as UTF and go to the very bottom you see I love you mom in here so this is a raw like a crude way of looking at your transaction everything is kind of encrypted in like not encrypted but it's displayed like a raw format but you can see that actually this transaction contains your message already Okay, that's the first sign that, that your message is on the blockchain already. Okay, just one more time. Okay, if you go to your transaction, goes into your input detail, and then try to go to like input data, view input as UTF-8, and you should be able to see your message. All right. Okay, so that means actually this one stay here forever. Okay. But here's the thing, I want to be able to see it from my contract too, right? So I'm going to go to my contract one more time, okay? Go to your contract here, okay? Okay, and okay, there, from me, it's a little bit different from you because I have deployed this contract a lot of time. So I'm going to change my contract a little bit. You don't have to do this. I only do because I have done this many, many times. Okay. So let me do this one real quick. Okay. Wait for me for a bit. Okay. Guys, okay. Does everybody has their contract on the Block Explorer like this? If you don't, let me know. I can help you. Okay, if you don't. Oh, yeah, right here. Click here, Block Explorer, and go to this contract. This one, this link. That one I want, okay? Okay. So here's the thing. The contract is actually written in terms of like unreadable stuff because it has like raw format into it. But we can make the contract a little bit more transparent so that you can interact with it from this website. So this step is kind of tedious, but bear with me, okay? So we're going to go to the contract in here. And you should be able to see something called verify and publish, okay? So we're gonna verify the contract so that it has more button to interact with, okay? So go to verify and publish, okay? And it's gonna come to this page right here, okay? Let me know if you cannot find this one. You have to go to your contract page first. Contract. Oh, okay, actually you're good to go, but I don't know why. Okay, contract อันนี้ Oh, actually you're pretty cool. You're good to go. Oh, weird.
ถ้าไม่ขึ้นก็คือ
ได้ใช่ถ้าไม่ขึ้นคืออันนี้อะไรเนี่ยครับนี่แปลก
อันนี้อะไรเนี่ยคะ
Okay, if it works it's good actually. So
อันนี้คือเดี๋ยว
เดี๋ยวก่อน
อ๋อกดตรงนี้เองกดไหน
อันนี้ไม่ได้เพราะนั้นอันนี้ต้อง verify and publish โอเคเพราะนั้นเดี๋ยวทำอันนี้ก่อนอันนี้อยู่หน้านี้นะครับโอเคถ้าคนทำได้ก็ไม่เป็นไรครับ
ด้านล่างอ่ะเนี่ย
อันล่างอันนี้ขอผมดูอีกรอบหนึ่งแล้วกันเพื่อความชัวร์นะครับอันนี้ยังไม่มี contract เลยโอเคคนนั้นยังไม่ได้ทำเนาะทำแล้ว
แสดงว่าของรู้ว่าน้องมันอาจจะไม่ได้กด
นี่แหละถึงมา
อ๋อ
ดูนี่เนี่ยมาละโอเค
If you don't have the qualified, then you are okay. Beautiful.
เดี๋ยวรอแป๊บหนึ่งถ้า refresh เนี่ยเดี๋ยวมันจะกดตรงนี้ได้ครับอันนี้โอเคไหมครับอันนี้ได้ไหมเอ่ยอ่าถ้าจะเช็คก็เช็คที่ MetaMask ดีกว่า
ไม่รู้เฮดเดอร์กดแล้ว
อ๋อยังไม่ได้ท
อาจารย์มันกดแล้วมันไม่เคยแล้วอะ
ำกดอีกทีไปแล้วลองดูที่ contract ของผมนิดนึงอันนี้เพราะนั้นคุณต้อง verify และ publish ด้วยทำไมบางคนถึงไม่ต้อง verify แปลกใจเย็นครับใจเย็นครับรอผมก่อนครับรอผม
ยัง
โอเค
อันนี้จริงเหรอ
เดี๋ยวรอแป๊บหนึ่งเดี๋ยวถ้าเกิด refresh อะครับเดี๋ยวมันจะเห็นสักพักนี่ไงมาแล้วอันนี้ก็ต้อง verify and publish ด้วยโอเครอผมก่อนแป๊บหนึ่งนะครับโอเคyou guys need some help okay okay you're good to go I mean you're not good to go but you have to verify okay so if you don't see if you already see the button called reads and write for some strange reason, you're good to go. But mostly, I expect that you should be able to have to verify it like this. Okay. If you don't have this button, just wait for me. Okay. Okay. So for those who has this page, okay, can you come down here and select compiler type to be Solidity single file? So that's what we just did. We used the Solidity single file compiler. Okay. And the compiler version, let me just go check real quick. I think it's 0.26, but it's 8.26. Okay, so 0.8.26 มันคือ verify สิ่งที่ทำครับนี่ครับ this guy right here. So make sure this is the same as I do. So Solidity single file 0.8.26. Okay, and choose the open source license as no license. Like that, okay? And then just click continue, okay? And once you did that, can you go to your remix and copy everything from your code from line 1 to the very bottom? Copy and paste it here. So it's essentially just verifying that your code, this is the code that got deployed onto the blockchain. That's what you're doing here. But for some strange reason, your account doesn't need to do it. So I don't know why. Usually I need to do it. So basically you're copying the code from this remix IDE, this one, the whole thing, and copy back into where they say enter the Solidity contract code below. That's what you want to do from here. So they do that, right? Once you do that, you can go down to the very bottom and say verify and publish. And that's going to give you like the button to interact with your contract. So let me just show if that works before I move on. Yeah, I'm done. Okay. You're good to go. You got all of this button. I don't know why. Like for me, I need to verify. You don't need to.
Because I think Professor is very handsome.
Huh?
You are very handsome. So.
Okay. Very good. Yeah, you got all the buttons. You're good to go. But for you, yeah, you're good, right? So if you go, okay, you can stop here and wait for your friends. Okay. นี่โอเคไหมครับลงมาแล้วลงมาอีกนั่นเลยครับ Okay. Once you're done, if you are at this page, can you click back into your contract? Go here. We're almost at the same page. So once we click here, you should be able to see the button. Okay. I'm clicking back to my contracts. If you cannot find it here, go to MetaMask and trace it back. But here you can see there's a read contract and write contracts. Right? So that is the button I want because people can come in here and then see your message. okay? Like anybody in the world can come here to this exact link and can read contract. So why don't you guys read contract, okay? And then you can see secret, click down. See, I love you, mom. It's right here. That's the message that stay here forever, okay? That's the point of this contract. It's just saying, write the data onto the blockchain, and this data is immutable. So you see how cool this is? This can be your grades, right? If I come up with the name, the register system, like the university register, I can just make a contract like this and say, you have grade A for this class.
Oh, that means
And this cannot be changed. You don't have to trust me. You trust blockchain. See how cool this is? Like when you are using registrar, university registrar, you are trusting university. You think your university can be trusted? I mean, you can trust, I guess you can trust it, but there might be a small chance that somebody can go in and change your data. But actually, you cannot change this data. Even like this fake, dummy data like this, immutable. This can be your grade, or this can be your land paper, โฉนดที่ดิน
oh, that's why.
Yeah. Have you ever buy land? I guess you know, right? We go to the office. We have to bring like the old paper, and the old paper was like this land is owned by this guy at this date, and then the official cross that date and write my name on it that I own that on the piece of paper. That piece of paper costs 2 million baht, right? Because it's the ownership of my land. But then it's written on this paper that can be lost and it can be forged.
Then it needs to be the new.
Yeah, why don't you just put it here? This cannot be immutable ever.
It's
So,
good.
yeah, so this is something that blockchain can solve. And it takes 1 second to do it, right? For me, to buy a land, takes like 5 days. You have to go through all this process of like changing the ownership, whatever, like that.
ต้องมาวุ่นหา
Yeah, คืออันนี้คือเด็ดมากๆเลย ก็โอเค if you guys search of NFT, that's the one too. That's the one to look. I mean, that's the same system. Okay. Okay. So, does everybody has your confessions in here? Good. Okay. The last step is that nobody's gonna come here. I mean, if your mom wanna come here, I guess can, right? But usually it's difficult for people to come here because they don't know much about blockchain. So the last step is we're gonna make the application that's actually pull the data from the blockchain and show it on the Web 2.0 platform. Okay, it's React. Okay, so it kind of come full circle into the one that we just learned from the first time. Okay, so that's the last step I want you to do. Which stay with me. I know you guys tired. It's a lot of things, right? Okay, where is it? Where's my slides? Okay. All right, so go to the last step in here, which is blockchain power application. All right, so here I make things a little more easy for you. So you don't have to start from scratch. Just go to my code. Okay, can you go to my code? In here. Okay, and this code it's written for you in React. So something that we use in the past 3 weeks. It's the past 3 times. I just did it for you already. Okay, so all you need to do, can you download it? Okay, go back. Okay, we're gonna go to my code. It's on page 16. Okay, and download zip file. So this one is much easier. You don't have to start from scratch anymore. Okay, download the zip file. Okay, and just open the zip file for me, please. Okay. Okay, and let's just drag this one like df main into your desktop. Okay. And now this is still your folder, like similar to what you did before. Like you just drag this one to VS Code to set your workspace. Remember, we use VS Code, right? And then we just ทำเหมือนเดิมครับ drag this one in like this. Remember, like center your workspace in here. should have something like this. Okay. You guys.
เปิดแอป
Could be great.
อ๋อที่มึงเล่ามาดินั่นแหละอันไหนที่มึงเล่ามาเมื่อกี้
Okay. And open in VS Code. Remember that when you open in VS Code, you just drag the folder in. Okay, let me just show it again. I close my folder. Okay. I just drag it in like this. Like this. Okay, like that. So you should have something like this. Okay, you're almost done. Trust me. Stay with me for a bit. Okay, this is gonna be cool. I mean. Okay. VS Code นี่มันยากจริงเว้ยพอดีผมใช้มานานเกินจนผมไม่เข้าใจความยากต่อไปคือถ้าคนเล่นคอมเยอะอาจจะคุ้นเคยมั้งไอ้ workflow แบบเนี้ยเนาะใช่ไหมไอ้ workflow แบบเนี้ยผมลืมไปหมดแล้วความรู้สึกนี่ไม่แต่ถ้าผมไปสอนคนที่ไม่เคยใช้ก็เป็นไปได้อาจจะต้องใจเย็นหน่อยก็โอเคเข้าใจ If you need help let me know I'm happy to help No not yet เอาโฟลเดอร์เข้ามาก่อน
New folder
ไม่ใช่ครับเราจะเอาโฟลเดอร์ที่ลากออกมาเอาโค้ดนี้มายังโอเคโค้ดอยู่นี่
ไฟล์ที่ลากของแกยัดเข้าไป
อ๋อเอาโค้ดแล้ว
วันนี้ไม่ต้องเขียนโค้ดครับใช้อย่างเดียวผมทำให้แล้วแล้วก็ลากนี่เข้ามาจบนี่ครับเรียบร้อยอันนี้ให้ผมช่วยหน่อยไหมโอเคand the trustโอเคครับ
Oh no Cross sorry Cross it's not a file
It's React it's the same thing man okay I want you yes
Can you put it on the desktop Put the file on the desktop Yeah ฮะเอาไฟล์ไม่ขึ้นเฉย
It's already here it's hidden somewhere it's hidden I mean but you have to find it though in order to open it right so but it's in here it's in ได้ปิดได้ Okay can I help you right away Okay I think it should be yeah it's hidden as I told you right here you got to go it's hidden I don't know why okay all right let's move on we're almost done guys stay with me okay the first thing is that can you take a note at this file all right env.example okay I want you to rename it to be just .env so get rid of the .example just rename it to be .env okay .env all right okay no more .example just .env all right okay so the first thing I'm going to give you through the link because this is kind of my secret though so I don't want to post it online so I'm going to use this link to give it to you okay it's right here because this thing it's in my account so it should not be posted publicly that's why I give this to you okay let me just actually just give you the whole thing because then you don't know which one it is okay actually I'll just do this 2 line okay this is the first 2 line that you need okay so here go here okay does that work can you copy this no right but if you copy then you lose it right hold on the text gets truncated yeah it gets truncated so How do I do this? I don't want this. Okay, maybe I can do this. I think this one will work. Just like that. I didn't know this one before. No, okay. How do I give this to you without getting truncated? Okay.
มันมีวิธีแบบเป็นแค่ข้อความใช่ไหม
เนี่ยผมอยากให้มันไม่ทำเป็นลิงก์อ่ะเพราะว่าผมต้องการให้คุณทั้งหมดเนี่ยแต่ว่าผมไม่สามารถทำให้มันไม่เป็นลิงก์ได้ อันนี้เพิ่งรู้ในความรู้ใหม่ว่ามันมีประโยชน์มันมีความยากอยู่
ที่มันทำ
ทำไงวะก่อนนะงั้นเอางี้เดี๋ยวก่อนนะเอาออกทีละอันได้ไหม
อาจารย์เอา.comออกก็ได้
ไม่ได้
ค่อยเติมต่อก็ได้
โอเคเอาใหม่เอา .com ออกเนาะ
เอา.com ออก
ยากไปวันนี้เอา .com ออกนี่ไม่ได้ว่ะมันก็ทำได้ดีอ่ะ
คืออาจารย์จะเอา HTTP ออก
hold on. You guys have access to Mango? I can do it through Mango. I think Mango is more. Okay, Mango? Okay, I give up Mango. Because, sorry, I didn't know this. I didn't expect this to be the problem. It's actually, it's weird. Okay. It's not this one.
ระบบมันสมาร์ทเกิน
มันสมาร์ทไปannouncement ไปแล้วกันโอเคI make announcement okay in Mango sorry I didn't expect this so these are the first two lines that you need in the .env so this is from my account so I don't want to give this away to the internet that's why but actually I record this so on internet anyway so but it's not on GitHub so okay so you're gonna copy these two lines and you're gonna replace them in here okay so basically the first two line okay like this guy here goes to the first two line in the .env So basically, what the first two line is that I have to create an account through a company that will give me access to blockchain. Okay, so because normally if you want to create a website that talks to the blockchain, you got to have some middleman, and this is the middleman that I subscribe to, and I have account in them. Okay, who are they? It's the Alchemy. Okay, so if you're wondering, it's Alchemy. So that's the it's called the this guy right here. It's the Web3 provider. It's called the provider. It gives you access to blockchain through the Web 2.0 portal. So normally you go through MetaMask, right? But then for like application, it needs another way to go through without being blocked by like Chrome extension and things like that. So it needs some provider for the application way. Okay. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, so the last two is for you only. It's your information. So your account address comes from MetaMask. So go to your MetaMask and copy your account address here. Remember the one that you use to send, give me your account, give me money. So copy it here. Okay, and your secret contract address. Okay. 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 Your account wallet address first. Okay. And then I want your contract address. And in order to go do a contract address, let's do this with me, okay? If you go to your MetaMask and you go to your transaction, your contract transaction, remember? The one that I told you to click on the Block Explorer, okay? That one should contain your contract address. It's this guy right here. This one is your contract address. When you say something created, that thing is your contract. So copy the address of that contract for me, please. Okay, that's this guy. Or you can click into it and copy the address on the top. It's okay, but just to make sure that you copy the right one. So it's going to be something created. And you need that address before, okay? And that one go to the last line of this environment because I'm gonna this application is gonna show your secret message. So it needs your address.
I mean, it's my account
Yeah,
on the
they're
Meta,
mine.
right? And this is a
Yeah, this is
address
not,
of the
okay, so
account.
you're good, okay? Or, yeah, so the other way you can do is like, make sure that you have the right information. For example, this is your address, this is your wallet address, so go to the third line, and this is your contract address, go to the fourth line, okay? And once you're done, now you're done, actually, promise you're done, okay?
สองบรรทัดแรกอะก๊อปที่อาจารย์ส่งให้แล้วบรรทัดที่สามอะใส่แอดเรสที่เป็นเมตาของตัวเองแล้วก็บรรทัดที่สี่ใส่เมตาที่ส่งไป
ส่งไปเลยได้ใช่ไหมคะ
บรรทัดสองครับ ถูกต้องนะครับ แล้วก็ต่อมา address ตรงนี้ บรรทัดที่ 3 อันที่ 4 คืออันนั้นแหละครับ ใช่ เอ๊ะ ใช่ไหมวะ ขอคุณช่วยแบ็กกลับไปหนึ่งทีให้ผมดูหน่อย อ้าวเริ่มจาก MetaMask ชัวร์สุด นี่ครับ ไม่ใช่ตัวนี้ ไม่ใช่นี้ กลับไป MetaMask ชัวร์สุด แล้วเราไปดูที่นี่ แล้วก็ Block Explorer ผมต้องการอันนี้
อ๋อ อันนี้
โอเค ถูกต้องครับ อันที่
no ไปที่เราไปที่คอนแทคอะที่เราทำก่อนหน้านี้อยู่ไหนวะ
4 ไปที่ MetaMask ดีกว่าครับ ง่ายๆ ไปนี้
เดี๋ยว
ไปที่ Activity แล้วก็
ไม่ได้ส่งใช่ไหม
อ้าว ไม่ได้มี contract เนาะ
ไม่มี
เงินไม่พอ อ้าว แล้วยังส่งไม่ได้เหรอครับ
ยังไม่ได้ค่ะ เพราะว่าอาจารย์ส่งลิงก์ให้
นี่ไง ส่งให้ตั้งเยอะแล้วนี่
มันไม่พออะ
อ้าว แต่ว่าผมส่งให้คุณ 0.2 นะ แสดงว่าคุณไม่ได้
เขาไม่ได้ปรับหรอก
อ๋อ โอเค แสดงว่าคุณยังมีเงินไม่พอ แสดงคุณต้องส่ง address ให้ผมใหม่อีกรอบหนึ่งไม่เป็นไร ผมขอไปก่อนแล้วกันนะ ถ้าคุณอยากทำเดี๋ยวผมส่งเงินให้คุณได้นะครับ how about we move on so that some of you can go home soon, okay? Okay, so now it's a fun part. We're gonna run our application, okay? So we're gonna go to terminal and new terminal. Okay, so usual things, right? We're gonna bring up the terminal and then npm install. That's the one you want, not this one. npm install. Remember this one command? You used it before. npm install. Okay, go. Like that. npm.
สลับกันโซนเดิมไหม
npm. If you're wondering what the command, where's the command, I put it in my slides. This guy right here. So npm install and npm run dev. Same command. This is React, okay? And let's see the magic. Hopefully. Okay, it's not done yet.
อ๋อใช่ไหม
Oh, it takes some time. I didn't know that. Oh, it actually takes some time. I didn't expect it. I thought it would be faster.
We can just make it more easy.
For me, it seems like it's done, but it's stuck in here. My internet is gone. No, it's still. Done. Oh, okay. It's actually work. It's thinking. Okay. Okay. Please do not cancel it beforehand. Okay.
ให้ทำแต่แรกเลยเพราะมันโหลดนานมาก
Okay. Once you install it, just pnpm run dev and see what happened.
npm แล้วก็ run dev nm run
And there you go. You're gonna see some cool things happening. See this? This is my message, and then this is my money. Okay.
see on watch
So actually, I used the wrong MetaMask account. That's why it's 0. Usually, I need to use this one. I think this one. Okay, so I gotta change my ENV a little bit
อ๋
because
อลืมต้องปลดล็อกเข้าได้ลืม
okay. There you go. See, this is right from my blockchain. Yeah. So that's how you write application that talk to blockchain. So you can write application that write things on your blockchain and read things from blockchain. We gotta go through the middleman. That's less than ideal things. Okay. If you are here, you can go home. Okay. I have a cheat sheet. I have an attendance sheet here. Okay. Let me write this one so that you know where to take.
ปิดเลยก็ได้นะมันก็ไม่แค่เปลี่ยนเนี่ย
You can go home. โอเค อันนี้เป็น 17 เด็ก
คนรันได้แบบถ้ามันขึ้นว่าโดนแล้วก็ใส่มันเบิร์นฮะเบิร์นอยู่
มองเห็นไหมวะเนี่ย
ตรงนี้นะครับ
ขอผมอนุญาตเขียนนี่ให้แล้วกัน
เลขก็ได้
โอเค ฮะ เขียนเลขแล้วกันเนาะ
โยมเขียนก็ได้
โอเค1 ถึง 21 เนาะ ขอบคุณมาก Okay if you're not here I can help you if you're here you can go home เอาเงินไหมครับ ถ้าเอาเงินส่งให้ผม
ไม่เป็นไรค่ะ
ช่างมันยอมแพ้ก็ไปได้
มันเงินไม่พอแล้วเราก็ไม่รู้จะทำมาทำไมหนูล็อกอินเงินก็ไม่เข้านี่ก็ไม่เข้าไม่มีใครเข้าเลยค่ะหนูลองไม่ได้หรอก
ไม่แน่ใจเหมือนกัน เพื่อนไม่ส่งให้เนาะ
จนในจอในชีวิตจริง
โอเคโอเค it's okay up to you we're done okay let me show อันนี้เซฟยังไม่เซฟเลยครับ
ไม่เนี่ยหนูใส่อันนี้ไปแล้วมันก็ PM
ไม่แต่นี่ไม่ได้เซฟครับมันของจะไม่มาเลยครับเซฟด้วยครับเซฟแล้วก็เสร็จแล้วไปคอนโทรลคลิกที่ตรงนี้ด้วยอย่าลืมไปคอนโทรลคลิกที่ลิงก์มันจะมีลิงก์อยู่ข้างบนนะครับเนี่ยคอนโทรลคลิกที่ตรงนี้ให้ผมหน่อยกดคอนโทรลค้างไว้แล้วกดไปคลิกใหม่นี่ไงมาแล้วนี่ไง
ขอบคุณค่ะอันนี้เป็นรันใช่ไหมคะ
npm install แล้วก็รันเดฟได้เลยครับแต่นี้ลืมเซฟนะมันข้อมูลจะไม่ขึ้นเซฟเลยครับได้ครับเนี่ยเยี่ยมมากได้แล้วปิดได้เลยครับกลับบ้านได้เลยเดี๋ยวจะบอกให้ว่าเขาหน้าไปไหนด้วยเพราะเขาหน้าไม่ได้มาที่นี่นะครับน่าจะขึ้นสโกขึ้นผมดูนิดนึงคอนโทรลกดคอนโทรลครั้งแล้วคลิกที่ปุ่มนี้ที่ลิงก์ดูซิว่าเกิดอะไรขึ้นคลิกให้ผมดูหน่อย
ได้แล้ว
แต่ว่าถ้าลง Netlify ได้จะเยี่ยมมากแต่ไม่ได้ยอมแพ้ Netlify ยอมแพ้ครับช่างมันปิดได้เลยครับเนี่ยถ้าเกิดลง Netlify ได้มันก็ขึ้นอินเทอร์เน็ตได้เลยครับพูดง่ายๆโอเค make sure you check your name on my attendance sheet that's getting passed around and let me show you where you should go next week we're not here next week we're done you're done with software you can go to do other cool things okay โอเคเดี๋ยวดูให้นะครับถ้าไม่ขึ้นเดี๋ยวดูให้ Okay it seems like next week it's 24th right? Where is it? Wait. Next week is right here. So next week เดี๋ยวเซกอะไรเนี่ยเซกอะไรกันเนี่ย2 so you go to the industrial engineering building
ตรงไหนแม่
so workshop okay next week you guys go to the industrial engineering building third floor okay third floor computer room third floor IE building
ไออีบิวดิ้งนี่ตึก
อ๋อตึกนั้นไงตึกตรง
อ๋อ
okay anyway don't come here do not come here you're done thank you okay